Good day, Sir Fabian. This is my reflection po, my answer sa reflection sa PETA number 1. The first question is, what did you learn about welding, bracing, and soldering techniques during this lecture? Which aspects interest you the most? Ito po this is my reflection po. Nakalagay po sa notes, hindi po siya ChatGPT, of course. My reflection po sa number 1 question is, my answer sa number 1 question is, I learned that welding uses heat to join metal pieces together really strongly. Bracing helps keep things steady and strong. Soldering uses little heat and metal to connect small parts like in electronics. I like learning how each way is different but helps build things. Ito po siya, sir. Number 2, the second question is, have you seen or used any of these techniques in everyday life or work? How has your newfound knowledge changed your perspective on them? Ito po yung answer ko sa number 2. My answer sa number 2 is, I have seen welding when people fix cars and soldering when fixing electronics. I didn't know bracing was so important to keep buildings safe. Now I know this job takes skills and are very important, sir. Sa number 3 naman po, the question is, how has your understanding of safety precautions evolved after this lecture? What steps will you take to prioritize safety in future projects involving these techniques? Number 3. My answer in that question po is, I learned that wearing safety gear like gloves, helmets, and working in fresh air is very important. Next time, I will always wear my safety gear and be careful so no one gets hurt. That's my answer po sa reflection and sa mga question po sa reflection. And para po sa kasiguraduhan po, ito po yung yung PPT. And sir, ayan po siya. Wala pong halong ChatGPT. And ayun lang po. So, yun lang po, Sir Fabian. Thank you po.